All right, we're back, and it's time to close out the week with our own Shannon Becker and his big 3 stories.
Hello. You ready for the weekend?
I am.
I am too.
I'm ready for like a day and or 2 days of warmth before it gets nasty.
Yeah, it's going to get, it is January. It's acting like winter finally. Let's take a look at the big 3 stories this week live in breaking news. It was last Friday morning. A car crashed into a building storefront in downtown Joplin. It was at 523 South Main. A lady was parallel parking to get her haircut, actually where she was going.
That looks more like perpendicular parking.
Yeah, it did not hit the vehicle that was right behind it even. Just accidentally hit the gas instead of the brake and went into the window there. Rosenberg Recovery and Towing removed it out of the window. They had to board up for a while before permanent repairs will be made. Nobody was injured, so that's the good news, but it was quite bizarre to see.
Ooh, gross.
Our number 2 story, live in breaking news at KOAM News Now. Did you see the fireball? Well, maybe you saw it on your Ring doorbell camera or something like that. This is something we wouldn't have seen 15 years ago, catching a fireball or a meteor on camera. It was an unscheduled event, so sort of like a falling star maybe. But you could see it from places all across the Joplin area to Tulsa, Wagoner, Oklahoma. So it was over a large area.
What time did it come?
3:38 a.m. on that last Friday morning.
Okay.
So just after I'd started people talking about it a week ago right now. So it's neat. We got all the videos from our followers at KOAM News Now. Our number 1 story. We've all been talking about this mountain lion this morning. I got to talk to Tiffany, who actually took the video and pictures of this mountain lion. It was up near Six Flags, kind of in the country a little bit out there. They're saying the mountain lion is injured. A pickup truck kind of hit it, and then a trailer it was towing stunned it. So it sat there in the road. She said that her son had said, "Hey Mom, this huge cat is in the road." Well, it was more than a huge cat. So she got the pictures, and then after a little bit, she said the mountain lion came around, and then it ran off into the woods. These are the sightings that the Missouri Department of Conservation have garnered through the state. They're not necessarily reintroducing them here to the state, but they're not necessarily chasing them out. It's one of those natural migration things sort of happening. They used to be hunted. So not anymore, obviously, but it kind of made them hard to find around the area here. I know Oklahoma, they've been seen before. We did a story this last month. So stay away from the mountain lions. They're big.
Would you rather?
Would you rather?
Would you rather be in a situation where you're one-on-one with no weapons,
all right,
with a mountain lion or a feral hog? Like an adult? An adult feral hog.
I think I would not do the hog. I've heard bad things about the hogs. And then our bonus story of the week. It is a new Starbucks coming to Webb City. A lot of people have been talking about this. So Starbucks used to be in Webb City at the Price Cutter. They went out of business years ago. So now it's back in Webb City. Don't know the opening date as of yet, but they're getting that furniture in there. It looks really modern and clean cut, clean, crisp lines. It'll be a fun little coffee place there. There's a lot of competition for coffee right now in Webb City, right there on Madison Street. So it's next door to the new Discount Smoke and Liquors, which used to be the Family Video.
Okay.
Yeah, Family Video. They're all gone now.
And this is on Madison Street.
Yep, right, just down a little bit south of Walmart there. That's your big 3 in the bonus. KOAM News Now live and breaking news.
All right. Once again, such a pleasure. I've been gone a lot of Fridays, so I figured I'd slip in on a Friday before January was over. So
you didn't tell me. Feral hog or mountain lion? You.
Feral hog.
Oh, you what? She's
I'd try to wrestle it to the ground.
Home. Suey pig.
On that note, we'll be right back.